doing tonight? We are live, or I am live, from the Lodge Casino up in Blackhawk, Colorado. We've got the Lightning Link machines here. All four of them. We got a little bit more choices tonight since they're all not in use. But thanks everybody for joining us so late tonight. Tonight's show we're going to dedicate. We had a viewer earlier today had wrote into me. Normally we weren't planning on, I wasn't planning on playing live tonight, but a nice lady named Becky wrote into me tonight about her mother Barb, who has been a fan of our show for several months. She's 4 or 5 months. She had wrote to me a few times in the past, and unfortunately her mother is in a hospice, and she said, you know, hopefully she makes it through the night or another day, but one of the things they found happiness in is watching me play slots together. So she actually, when she wrote to me, she called me Scott instead of Raja, which is unusual. But, so I had hockey tonight, and like I said, wasn't planning on playing live tonight. But tonight we're going to dedicate this to her, and hopefully we can give them one more night of happiness, and hopefully her mom makes it through the night, but unfortunately probably will not make it much longer than that. So we'll start off with a little Lightning Link, everybody's favorite here, and hope we'll have a good night and get some wins and dedicate tonight to Barb. So. Thank you everybody for joining us. Wow, 500 people already live. Oh, one more horseshoe with a nice start. Hope everybody else had a great weekend. Shout out to all our fans in Australia. You guys are getting a treat. What is it, like 3 or 4? Ooh, there we go. Nice little start. All right, let's see a big one. Thank you, Josh Ray, for the $2 super chat. Praise. Thank you. All right. There we go. One more. And so everybody can see. Ooh, minor. There we go. 500. And just so everybody, the grand is at 5112. Major is at 839. Somebody must have hit this one because this is the lowest of all of them. The rest of them are all 5,500. Ooh, there we go, another 50 bucks. 3 more spins. Thank you everybody joining us tonight. Thank you to my mods. Sorry you guys didn't have more time. I was thinking about this during hockey all night, whether or not I was gonna make it up here. I was tired, but got home, got cleaned up, and make sure the boys were ready for school tomorrow, and showered and ready to go, and played with Brandy for a little while, and I said, you know what, if I can bring somebody happiness for one more night, that's what I want to do, and maybe the slot guys will bring us some happiness. Alright, what do we got here? Welcome, Lady in Black's in the house, Slot Slayer, and Randall, Tony, Emily, there we go, Mini Boom, 1,075. Not a bad little start. Take it. Alright. Thank you, Tommy Rather, for the $5 super chat. Good luck. Thank you, Brian Sanders, $2 super chat. Great luck. Don't forget to subscribe to Holly, and make sure you check it out. Holly does Slots channel. As soon as her and, or as soon as she reaches 1,000 subscribers, her and Brian are going to be getting married. Thank you, Anthony, for the $5 super chat. Raja, you're a class act, and thank you so much. Thank you guys for all the good luck wishes, and especially thank you guys for all the thumbs up, the support. This one, I think we need the 3 horseshoes for the bonus. one horseshoe away from a big boss. Come on. Shout out everybody watching tonight. We got Brian Estes in the house. Lowe's show. Thank you for the $2 super chat. Good luck from New Zealand. And don't forget, this Wednesday night, we're having our first live group pull here in Colorado at the Lodge Casino. A lot of people coming to town. We got Slot Sharks and Slot Channel coming. If you guys haven't subscribed to that, make sure you do. Check them out. They're going to be here. We're going to have live roulette starting around 6 o'clock. Oh. Horseshoes. Thank you everybody watching. Almost 700 people. Appreciate everybody who's liked and shared our videos. Let everybody else know you're watching us. And thank you all for the thumbs up. Lets me know that you guys are awake and appreciate what we're doing. 2 more. Oh. I hate when it teases us with 5 more. Come on. Very welcome, Lowe's show. Happy to be playing for you. Thank you, Josh Ray, for the $2 super chat. Where are you staying in Vegas in January? So we will either be at the Cosmo or at the Hard Rock. We have not decided. Hopefully we'll get plans finalized soon. Thank you, everybody, tuning in tonight. Big shout out to the best mods in the business, the mod squad. We got Joanne, Matthew, Jennifer, Tracy, Caleb, Daniel. One more. Thank you, Slot King Dream, for the $2 super chat. How you doing?
Good, man. How you been?
Oh, not too bad. How you doing?
Good, man. A little celebration. My daughter we had a gender reveal party for her baby.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I never heard of those, man.
Yeah, that's it. The boy or girl?
It's gonna be a boy.
Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Now you're happy.
First time.
Grandpa? Oh, nice. Well, congratulations. Thanks.
Good.
I just started. So, just started. Thank you, this one. Malshenko Valdemir for the $10 super chat. It's cool. One of our bomb squad members is going to be a grandpa. One more. Come on. We have a bunch of horseshoes here. Sizzling slot jackpot. Come on. There we go, and that's a good one. We already started off with 500, 600, 700, 750 bucks. All right, come on. One more big one here. Just back in business. Another 100, almost 850. Ooh, there we go. 2 more. Uh-oh. I may be going to Minnesota. Good shout. Dom's in the house watching. How you doing? Oh, I saw that nature go by. Nice. Alright. About 850. Nice. 975. There we go. Mini bone. Just a little back in business.